For most taxpayers, the One Beautiful Big Bill Act is best described as a status quo from the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2018 that was set to sunset in 2025. So the example I've been using for a lot of people was, oh, we knew in 2026 our rent was going to go up, and halfway through 2025, your landlord said, your rent's not really going to go up, but I might change some utilities I charge you for. So that's what we're going to see for most taxpayers. I think something that not has not been particularly well publicized or worked through, especially for high income taxpayers, has to do with how itemized deductions are going to be limited to a 35% tax rate versus the 37% marginal bracket that they are in. So that's automatically going to limit the value of some of the itemized deductions. And the charitable contribution floor, I also think is something that made sense from a revenue raising perspective and is something that will what will hit more high income taxpayers than lower income taxpayers. But most people are going to find that they are not prepared for how much it's really going to hit them because it's an AGI driven thing. It's not as if it's something where, oh, it's $1,000 less or $2,000 less. It is a straight percentage of your adjusted gross income. So how much that really going to hit you isn't going to really be prepared for on all of that. So I think that particular area is going to catch people by surprise. And we still have states that are working through their conformity to the Internal Revenue Code itself. So some states have a rolling conformity, meaning as the IRS updates, they updates. Some states have a fixed date conformity, some have a hybrid method. So all of the states are working through this, especially some of the provisions that are targeted towards middle income taxpayers, such as no tax on overtime, no tax on tips. Every state is still working through, in some regards, how that's going to be applied in their state versus not applied in their state. And I think that might catch some people off guard as they're thinking, oh, I don't have to pay any tax on my overtime, only to find out it's only federal tax, not state tax.